अस्सलाम वालेकुम क्लास। आज हम करेंगे PMS 2019 की vocab, ठीक है। और इसमें है फर्स्ट वर्ड फीबल, दैट मीन्स वीक, या फिर आप कह सकते हैं लैकिंग स्ट्रेंथ। स्टूडेंट्स वर आस्किंग कि मैडम इनको सेंटेंस में किस तरह से ऐड कर सकते हैं, तो आज हम साथ में सेंटेंस भी बनाएंगे और इनके मीनिंग भी देखेंगे, ठीक है। First is feeble, that means weak. The second word is wane. Wane mean to decrease gradually. To decrease gradually. And we have a third word which is abhor. And abhor means to hate extremely. So here, to hate extremely, right? And the fourth word is agile. Agile means quick, quick and active. After agile, there is a word nadir. This is not nadir, this is nadir, ठीक है? And this means lowest point. This is not just about the point. This could be the lowest state of a person. There could be a lowest state in economy, anything about institution. So here are the meanings, or we can say synonyms. And now we are moving towards their sentences. The first word is feeble. Feeble means weak. So we can say that feeble accountability mechanism. Feeble accountability mechanism often emboldens corruption. ठीक है? So here means weak accountability mechanism often emboldens corruption. After feeble, we have wane. Wane means to decrease gradually. So here we can make public trust wane, या फिर लिख सकते हैं पब्लिक ट्रस्ट ऑन गवर्नेंस wane, ठीक है, या फिर हाँ ठीक है, wane because of lack of meritocracy and transparency. ठीक है. And the third word is abhor. So क्या हो सकता है इसका कोई strong सा sentence? Let's see. Civilized societies must abhor all form of extremism. एक्सट्रीमिज्म कर सकते हैं इसको, टेररिज्म कर सकते हैं, एक्सट्रीमिज्म, राइट. And the fourth word is agile, that means quick and active. So in agile we can say in era of technological transformation ये थोड़ा लेंथी हो जाएगा इस तरह से ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन स्टेट्स रिक्वायर्ड स्टेट यहाँ पे हमारी रियासत है ठीक है स्टेट्स रिक्वायर्ड agile institution agile institutions for adaptive policy making and the last word is nadir and that means lowest point or lowest state so we can say the economy reaches its nadir during fiscal crisis